is there more soldiers on the other side of that EMA? Did he go pick up new soldiers? Because, you know, now that it's weak, to kind of give y'all a little background, right? I love trading. I've done trading for a long period of time, and oh, come on, 4:30. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Hey, good morning. Welcome to another episode. We're running a little behind, had some streaming issues, but we're going to go ahead and get right to the charts. Let's go ahead and do it. So we got a little bit of retail sales here, and the market's already open, so we're going to get right on in there. All right, let's go ahead and see what's going on here. All right, so we got a nice little gap up for the contract expiration on NQ, and then we got ourselves oil. Let me get rid of my line so it doesn't confuse you. So they're trying to make a nice little push there. And then the last one I want to cover is gold, and gold has just been trekking. This thing is not playing. It is not giving no reprieve. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so first 15 minutes. You gonna do the first 2 minutes, Javi? All right. Oh, you know what? I did not log into my Robinhood. Let me put you here. And you just decided to do something funky. All right, let's open another window here. Robinhood. All right, that's good to go. There's some tickers I have to go purchase too. And then right, there we go. So Robinhood is right here. That way I can keep an eye on that. And let's get you out my way. Alright, I think we fully set up now. You can see my screen, right, Javi? Alright, cool. Alright, and let me minimize that. Make sure there's nothing in the chat. And let's open my, you know what? Let me not open TradingView. I know what I'm going to do. Let me just open a new one here. Range. Let's see if we can get our scalping on. Alright, so we got ourselves our opening range so far. Looks like this. Let's see what your 2 minutes look like, Javi. It's kind of like giving a little bit of an inside bar. And that's quad witching for you. It does not play. What's that? All right. Breaking down, Javi. Breaking down. Yeah, it did. Did you take it? Stranger danger over at 518. Let me label this. There we go. Got you. All right. Let's see what's coming on over in the alerts. Few swing trades. Pan W. Oh, did Snow pop? Oh no, snow dropped. Okay, so it hit stop losses. It just needed to hold above there. But Pan W is trying to buy. Let's see what's going on with Pan W. Not a fan of it. They try to move it up, but this thing is struggling. So we'll see what happens there. All right, moving on. More ranging. Don't you just love it when it range? You said it took you out? Yeah, let's see. What else we got? Oracle is looking good. Oh, Newmont. Newmont's probably pulled back to get some contracts over there. And that's about it. So Newmont, maybe Starbucks, and Oracle. Those are two that's kind of making some moves. We'll probably talk about that at 11, Javi. Contracts dead. All right, we got 8 minutes into the opening ranges set, and then we could go ahead and see what we're going to be doing. I'm thinking we're probably going to be doing some puts as people are starting to take some of their profits, and some contract expiration has been taking effect. On TradingView, NQ has already rotated theirs, so yeah, probably gonna try to see if they can come down to 24.523. Did you switch to NQZ? I mean NQ. Yeah, it's fine. To be honest, I'm just going to talk relative levels, so we'll make it make sense. No problem. I gotta rotate my TradingView contracts right now. They didn't rotate it automatically for some reason. All right, still pushing down. Mm-hmm. For a short time, not a long time. Yeah, I agree, Javi. Because you gotta look at it like this thing. We're still in the uptrend, so we're not trying to do anything ridiculous. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, the overnight session The overnight session was like a drifty up. So if everybody takes their profits from the overnight session, it can make a massive move to the downside. I don't think we have any other news. Let's see. We got inventory 20-year bond at 1 o'clock, but then that's it. And then Wednesday, we're going to get building permits, fuel production, and then the Fed interest rate. So I won't be surprised that today is a light day as everybody's trying to like get ready, and then we see where it goes from there. So just be patient. Make sure you get your entries where you need to get them. Fair enough. It is. It is bound. It's bouncing because again, like I said, these are all blocks. Like each one of these can stop the ticker from continuing to the downside. Actually, you know what? Let me keep the full chart. I'm gonna keep my camera off. Get a nice little full
And
chart.
she just hit that wick on the hourly. Got another wick now at
Like 500,
541.50. And then
541.
yeah, and then I want to see it go to the 118 at 529.25 because that's where it dropped to for opening.
Yeah, and then if you think about the contract expiration gap, I usually see them as pure gaps, but they usually bounce off of it. So I won't be surprised as soon as we get close to 524, 525, we bounce. But finding a spot here is going to be relatively tough.
Well, you got to be in it. I'm in it already.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I agree.
To stomach the pullback. I
Mm-hmm.
got
Because there will be pullbacks.
18% on QQQ.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yesterday's price action was perfect, Javi. It was perfect. It was right around nine, not the time that you traded. It was around 9:45.
And if you're trying to push up off of
Mm-hmm. This is the effects of being a part of an uptrend. Any one of these things, any one of these pullbacks could be one of those things that bounces it right back up. I enjoyed them, so if you don't like it, I love it. Anyways, looking for this thing to. Well, we're under the 15-minute 50 EMA, so you could get a rejection around there because they might be attempting to try to get it to close under that. So just be careful there. That level is like 570, 571. Here comes the 570. There we go. So that's the one I was saying that it was going to be a little toughy unless we blast right through.
come on, sound.
All right, we got ourselves 60 seconds for us to lock in our range. What's Tesla's doing? No, don't worry. Listen, it happens. Mm-hmm. Hey, you walked away with a solid position. You gave it an attempt. It didn't give you an explosion. You might be able to find a better one when the range breaks. Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right, we got our official 15 minutes. Stranger Danger is 576.25. 576.25. So we're going to see if we can get a 5 minute close below. Mm-hmm.
23%, 90 ticks.
I should have did this earlier. I'm a little tardy to the party. I'm supposed to do something. Alright. Just be patient, Jeff. Accept it for what it is. There's a third deviation there. We might get a pop here. Look out for the level at 559. Be careful for a pop to 559. You're trying to reject it, giving us that perfectly good opening range to the downside. We'll put in a nice little deviation here. Watch out for 550. Maybe just a pullback, but continuation. Let's see if they reject it here. I would love to take calls here. Love to take calls. I'm gonna be patient because I don't like how this is going so far. I would love to take calls here. I think we're gonna bounce. I think we're gonna break through 559 here. Kind of like a falling wedge action. I think I should have took it. Should have took it. I was looking for option contracts at the same time. I'm taking that one. Uh, 300, 100. That was a nasty pullback. Damn, that was a nasty pullback. I should have took the first one. That's what happened. No, they're trying to hit it each time.
They almost at that target, 529.25.
Let's see if we can get an explosion here. Bumba, come on. I gotta put a stop loss in the screen. I got to. I gotta put a stop loss. They're making this difficult because we're breaking it down. All right,
I'm still playing it.
lower leverage. Mm-hmm.
Almost down. Hold on, dude.
Yeah. Okay.
It's always like when it's he's like blocking something stuff. But
I don't really like Roblox anymore.
I don't know why you like Roblox actually. No, it's because you like Justin just wants to play Minion Puppets and Justin.
Yeah, it looks so cool.
And I forgot that I was recording something. Unless he was muted.
Come on.
Okay, come on.
Get Get your butt up there. Get your butt up there. All right, breakthrough. All right, pick up the contract. Oh, did I do that by accident? Ah, I had my hand on the cancel and I was trying to grab the mouse and I canceled all my orders and got out. Damn. Oh, thank God I did.
Yep, I'm in it, baby.
Wowzers.
I told you where it's going.
Wowzers.
I'm in it 26%. It wants that to retest the 118 area. I thought you would have played it.
Yeah, but I haven't got no alerts yet, so that's why I haven't been focusing on anything from 108s or anything. We're in an interesting little spot. As the 5 minutes trying to close below here. Kind of blueprint that one a bit.
Murder she goes. Murder she goes.
I just don't think
And
that's
cue
how
and sound.
the song goes.
No, that's my remix. Remix, baby. 529.25 was hit.
Alright, they're breaking through to the upside here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give this trade a break. And this setup a break. Because it was a good baseline reversal to try to get to the upside, but it's being a little wanky, and I'm not getting nothing, no alerts, nothing. All right, so we got to the edge of the gap now, the contract gap. That's this area here. I gave up on the setup. It's a good little move. Good little move. .54 seconds, but the 5 minute did close under the bearish line. Rejection of the fair value gap at 45. Looking like a breakdown right now. Looks like a good time to try to load up on some puts. But that's not the best setup. This is only a C plus setup. I'll be asking for trouble. Only scalps. Let's stick with the scalps. This thing is trying to figure out what it wants to do. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 5 minutes trying to put in the fair value gap. I wanted to put in some sense of a bullish divergence here. I would love for them to try to spike through to like 524, maybe even lower, get into 520, and then
520,
we push
520.
524 to 520, somewhere
I
around there.
got 524.75, but I needed to go all the way down to 409.25.
It's curling up too fast, too early.
I'm at 40% on runner. QQQ, I left alone.
Nice. All right.
I'm trying to see what's that I'm gonna do.
We just consolidating sideways. All right. Mm-hmm. You say you think we both what? Well, no, I was like, it looks like it may be puts. I did say that, but it was doing some very funky stuff. Cause, cause we dropped too far too fast, which I was kind of right in itself. Here comes another push. We might break right out of here. Let me get a small position. Going to take the reverse here. Going to the upside, yeah. And then going light leverage. Looking for the level of
You're at your 118.
537.
Previous day candle 118.
That's fine. It's just right now the downward trend line has been affected. That's all. Which is putting in bullish divergences, at least testing them. So they could be just pullbacks to go ahead and drop further. But I think with the contract expiration, they're going to use this momentum to try to push up. Looking for entry somewhere around 540, 550 for another contract if I do feel like it. See if I can get my money back. Gonna be patient here. Oh, I was about to put a stop loss right there into profit. Alright, stop loss there. And we got a nice little close above. Let's take another one here. Take our stop and put it there. And put our stop right there. Let's go. Keep on pushing. They took out one of my contracts. That's alright. Come on, keep on pushing. They took the second one.
They probably went to
All right.
5 minutes.
That was a good solid reversal. That was about $125, $200. Just take it, just take it. Yeah.
I'm still in it to the downside.
Yeah, it hit the 100 no, is this my 100? No, this is my 1 minute 50. No, that's not the 1 minute 50. Robert Redford? I didn't even know he was still alive.
It's
Robert
10
Redford? Oh, I didn't know that. It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock could be new for. Ah, come on. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I was going to, but I said, nah, let me just chill for a little bit. I think I like it for the upside. I really do.
Could be. It's 10 o'clock.
But I'm too late for it if I was going to do it. Remember how I told you about those kicks?
You got a kick to the upside?
Mm-hmm. I should buy this red candle. Damn it, I should buy this red candle. I didn't buy it, and it's gone. And that's the kick. And that's the rejection. And that's why I didn't want to take it. I didn't know if they were going to target it and come back down. Next to my 200 and the doggone trend line. Oh. We have breaking all types of different downtrend lines just now.
Ain't your recording supposed to roll?
It is. Just trying to work on my patience because we're about to put some we're really wedging price. We're wedging it right at this 544. They're trying to see if they can get back above 550 right now. This could be just retracement, so that way they can go ahead and short it even more. Very possible. See this 5-minute doji? It needs to turn into a morning star like right now, but they're taking out a lot of buy side liquidity that just stepped in there. Do they rebuy? Yeah, that's why that 5-minute looked like a morning star. Excuse me. That's why that 5-minute looked like a morning star. Mm-hmm. Look at that slant. Like right now, we're sitting under a 5-minute fair value gap that if we actually got through here, there's so much sell side liquidity past there, because that means there's not a lot of control there. And that's this right here, that bearish fair value gap, right above stranger danger. I think that's what the bulls are aiming for right now. Because if they can get above here, they're going to liquidate all of this here. But right now, the bears just swept the lows. See what they just did?
Yeah, they got that wood.
I don't know if we're going to get a bounce. Because they, oof. Every time it pops up, they're hitting it again. Do they have enough buyers? That's the whole question. That was a nice little kick move. I didn't have enough distance away from it. There's rules, Javi. There's rules. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Until the next 5-minute candle. Now we're breaking through here again. Put in the kick, feel the kick. Okay, good rebalance. What level is that? 547. Yeah. I got an order at 547. If we get into there, that's going to give us some pressure to go ahead and fly right through into the opening range line at 551. See if we can build a base somewhere. Price is just compressing like a triangle down. Let me come to the 1 minute so you can see what I'm talking about. See that? go. Come on. Come on. Oh, I should have put that break even a long time ago. I knew this was dangerous. I knew it was dangerous. I knew it was dangerous. And I did not put that break even. Ah, I got it into the break even and they took me out. Yeah. Oh, don't you dare. You know what? Cancel all my trades. You're not going to kidnap me either. Because I wanted to have 2 contracts here. That's the fair value gap. Fill it. Since you already up here, fill it. Since you want to be a jerk and take me out, no, I'm going to get ready to short the crap out of you in a little bit. Even with some puts. Come on. Go further up. They're pulling it back too fast. You see what I meant by the kidnap? They were trying to kidnap me at that 47. Because I had a second order there, but I can't keep my first order? Yeah, playing. Like watching paint dry. And that's what's the fun part about quad witching. So I'm down a total of $250, which I'm okay. Right? Could I had been a little bit smaller? Yeah, maybe. But then again, I was aiming for something big in itself because it looked like we was gonna bounce off of the bottom of this opening range line. We're kind of like balancing off right now, so they're trying to push it up. And then we'll probably talk about some swing trades in a little bit.
Like fast swing trades will be 11 o'clock.
11:30 to be exact.
Alright, so a little bit is somebody coming in.
And that's why I'm gonna go look at them. Not saying I'm gonna take anything. This was that breakdown of
Go to
that.
at least 559.25.
This upside gonna get their cells liquidated in a little bit. I want to short it. Oh my god. I'm so annoyed because this is not the best time to short it. The way they filled that fair value gap, we closed inside of it. It can go right through us if I try to short it here. This is not the best place.
My process still upside on this weekend or time frame.
Yeah, I can't short it. I can't. I should, but it feels like a 50-50 to me. It's like a B plus setup. My entry should have been at 551 if I was gonna short, and then I would be scaling it at 545. It was just way too close, just in case they try to liquidate here and then bounce. 542 down to 537. That's my next level. It's extremely choppy.
Only 1 minute. Oh, that's a 10-second. Morning Star. 15 seconds.
Come on. I put my stop loss in profit and y'all come for me. $93. That's it. Just $93. That's all you need. Oh, they liquidated all the bulls. Good thing I put my stop loss into break even. I had a feeling they would do something stupid like that. Look for sales to continue down to 537. That was just a break retest, and they pulled back. And they're gonna go ahead and continue this off the 5 minute for more opening range breakout. At least that's what they're attempting. But does this doji sit as an order block? That's why I say I love dojis. This is the one. So you gotta catch it at the extremes if you're gonna play it down, or you're not gonna have no cushion. It's trying to.
If it holds again under 529.25, we should go lower.
Yeah, it's that price action that puts you to sleep. Still no option trades. I took a couple scalps on futures, but nothing to be proud of. That's the breakdown I was
You're
telling you
right,
about.
not playing towards your 118.
One
Because that's where
one
it's
eight.
playing. The previous day
Not to
118.
not to 118. I never do 118 is places that can buy. I never play to it.
Um,
I always play to 618.
oh, 618.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because this is my daily
It keep
screen.
hitting my 118. I thought it was 6. I thought it was 118.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, we play to the 618. But don't you use your 118 for something?
Sometimes entries 118 two three
Because
six
they
three
keep
eighty
hitting
two.
the 118 since opening.
They're probably loading right back up.
Yeah, been struggling to hold under it. See it hit it again and try to bounce.
Yeah, but the price action that they're doing, they have violated the downside, they violated the upside, and I can't take anything right now. Oh wait, hold on. This one is okay. What happened here? Oh, they just went straight to it just now. They're still disrespecting the down move.
I'm waiting for the Morning Star. No.
might break through here. I should have took an option contract too. They will not keep me in. It broke through and then they came right on the back.
I didn't even break the box. What are you talking about breakthrough? You're still in that box.
Well, the thing is, the downtrend, because we just made a downtrend after we had that spike up at 10:08, and we were breaking through the angles of all those downtrends that we created. So I was like, okay, maybe we'll fill the candle and go. Damn, I still got that order lingering up there. Gotta cancel that order. We almost put in a 15-minute morning star. That's what I was looking for.
Well, we put a 1 minute, 45-second morning star. 1 minute. No, 45 seconds. And 5 minute on XPX.
There we go. We broke through. Come on, we broke through. Let's get to Stranger Danger. Can we get to Stranger? Damn, they hit my stop. Get out of there. Get out of there, Jeff. Get out of there. I'll take the $50. Oh, $70 actually. It was $70. Ah, they're being assholes right now. $43 for your day goal. Oh, let's get it. One step at a time. One step at a time. You got it, Javi. You got it.
I'm gonna push XPX in that morning star. And keep
Nah, it's fine. It's fine. I'm just gonna see which trend line they're gonna, which one they're gonna appreciate.
Daddy, you have so many notifications.
Please, 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 Caleb.
very annoying little boy.
Let's give it a try here. It might, but I'm leaning that it won't. Because we came all the way over here. We might as well go to Stranger Danger. Why not? I just lost 170 on that. Not 200. I thought we could get to Stranger Danger. I thought we could get there. I knew it was going to be tough. That's why I went with one contract. Nah, it tried to close in there. So I was trying to be in before the close in there. No, I was being greedy. No, it's fine. I was willing to risk it. A little bit more than I wanted because I was like, okay, I'm going to just risk the $70 I just got. And then it just pushed real hard. I was like, ugh, come on. Yeah. It's a scalper's day today.
The scalpers go up or down.
Doesn't matter. It's up and down pretty much.
Mommy definitely wants the market to go up most of the time.
No, not really. That's not true.
Huh?
She takes whatever.
I've
It's
been
presented.
playing it down today.
I thought you even did up because
This might be the pullback for them to try to get a higher high. But I don't like how the 5 minute closed under, so I'm accepting it for what it is.
I got 53 chips on it.
Oh, I didn't see that kick. There's a second one right there too.
Check it out. See if it takes out and give us.
It does. $5.54. No, I don't want you to do it like that. Feel that kickback. Okay, feel that kick. Now let's get a rebound. Look for an entry above 553. Oh, come on, leave my stop losses alone.
Why is your stop loss so tight? How
Because
the
that
previous
that's
candle?
that's how I get myself funded. I told myself I'm not gonna change anything this time, so I push it into break even
Yeah,
the
but
moment
you-
I can.
Okay, then you don't even wait for the candle to close.
I wait for the candle to do the job. Damn, that 800 is 559 is being tough. Two candle up. Let's try one more time. One more again. Two candle up. Come on,
It's
two
all
candle up.
above 560.50.
Two candle up. Come on, baby. There we go. Perfect. Put a stop. It keeps hitting that 800 in the face. Bow, bing. They keep hitting it back. How far before the 15 minutes close? 8 minutes? They did. They spiked it, made a new high. Come on, pull it back. No, I need to pull back. Come on, pull back, pull it back, pull it back.
You didn't spike and make me laugh.
You need it up? Oh damn! I need to pull back because it needs some steam because they just wicked and made a new high.
Into 559.75, but it's standing on top of a 45-second cross to the upside.
Come on. Come on. Breakthrough. 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 Come on, breakthrough. I won't break through this line. Come on, sweep the liquidity already. Sweep the sell side liquidity. They don't have no strength. They have no peoples. They said, no, we got more than enough.
And then the retest across.
That's what they're trying to do. being so freaking tough. Yep. They just took out the buy side liquidity just there.
Why did you change your phone case?
Because I wanted to. Go give me the bag of ice that's in the fridge.
God bless you.
Bag of salad. Give me my cup.
I need
Plastic
ice.
cup. There's water.
There's no water.
I asked for it.
Oh, I know where it is.
Please, just go. Just go.
I know where it is, Daddy. He is looking for it.
Sydney, you don't know the cup in my room?
Here, I'll
Can
Why
you give
do
me
you
the
have my
plastic
phone?
cup
Because
that's
I
in my
was
room?
checking the time.
No, you wasn't.
I
Give
did.
me my phone. Give me my phone. Just give him my phone.
Go give me my plastic cup in my room, I asked. Hey, stop and break your noise. Go rinse it.
Only rinse the inside. It's gonna be nice.
What's happening to your class?
I'm 12.
Yeah, we got 2 minutes until. We got 2 minutes until this is completely certified, and yeah, this thing is just choppy.
Wow, that's
Mm-hmm. Well, you know what? Let me let YouTube go. Yeah, have a great day, and we'll try again tomorrow. But this was not the best. So down 500.
And-
We'll try again tomorrow.
Sorry.
You have a great day.